Hi mates, Miguel the Dory Blue and Roblox fan here. Today we're about to land. I saw that bridge over biscuit. Looks like I missed. Sorry guys. I'm trying to brighten up the screen so I can see when, not be blind. Ready for landing guys? Subscribe. Nosotros eres aquí means we are here in Spanish. Carolines and Avalanche. I'm back in Australia. Wee. I did make I explore Sydney Airport. Then it is only one time. Hey, I saw Singapore Airlines A380 including with, and I saw the Cathay Pacific. I saw Singapore Airlines A380. It's a big plane. And I saw British Airways including with Swiss. Oh, Jetstar. Biscuit. Oh, biscuit. Don't get mixed up. Keep yourself Miguel the Dory Blue and Roblox fan of the shiny Southern Airlines. It has an A380 too. That big massive plane, Singapore Airlines.
To Australia, where the local time in Sydney is 8:56 a.m. on Saturday the 29th of July. Qantas would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the lands and waterways on which we live, work and fly. We would also like to pay our respects to elders past, present and emerging.
Oh shit.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched on. As always, smoking, vaping and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted while disembarking or throughout the terminal. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as baggage may have moved and could fall out. And before leaving us, ensure that you check your seat and seat pocket for any personal items. If you can reach your phone, you can now turn off flight mode. On behalf of all of us here at Qantas and One World, thank you for choosing to fly with us. If you're visiting Sydney, we hope you enjoy your stay, and of course, for those returning, welcome home.
Wow.
Maligayang pagdating sa Sydney. Manatili po kayo nakaupo habang ang babalanging kapit ng inyong mga seatbelts ay nakailaw pa. Kung ang inyong mga mobile na telepono ay abot kamay, pwede na po itong bubuksan. Mag-ingat lang po sa pagkuha ng mga gamit sa taas, baka po may mahulog. At tiyakin po maiginawa na kayong maiwang mga gamit sa mga bulsa ng inyong upuan. Sa ngalan po ng Qantas at inyong mga kasama, ako po'y magpasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Sana po ay nasayahan kayo sa inyong paglipad. At hanggang sa ating muling pagkikita, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Daghang salamat.
Awesome day, broskies. I'm back. Brisbane equals going to Bluey's home. Yep. I went to Sydney. I spotted the difference inside the car. So the driver's side is on the right side in Australia, but in the US it's on the left side, including the Philippines too. Singapore Airlines. Yep, I just saw a big A380. I saw Air Canada in Garuda, Indonesia. I'm not sure what we are doing here. Today we are waiting. not sure what aircraft way am I going to ride when we're going to LA from Sydney. If it's an A380 equals, oh sheesh, here we go again. The riding on the lucky plane is awesome.
Good morning once again, ladies and gentlemen, the captain speaking. Now that we've arrived in Sydney, there's a shortage of available parking spots in Sydney, and we're just waiting for one aircraft to depart our parking spot, and they've just called for a pushback to air traffic control clearance, and so we expect to be sitting in maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll be able to proceed to our parking spot and shut down the engine. So thank you once again for your patience.
At 6 a.m. in the Philippines. So it looks like Philippines is 2 hours behind. And Indonesia is 3 hours behind Australia. Like in Indonesia, Jakarta, Indonesia, it's 3 hours behind. It's 1 hour behind the Philippines. And 3 hours behind Australia. Indonesia might be big. When are we going to move? So in the plane, I watch Mulan, Harry Potter, and Frozen. For oh wait, what is that? That looks like bumps. By the way, before I land, we just did a U-turn. I just spotted the airport. So in this plane, I saw like Mulan. There's the live action movie, the live action remake. The live action remakes I watch in theaters is The Little Mermaid, Beauty and the Beast. Oh wow, hello Delta Airlines, what's up? Wow, for real, this looks like we're in LA, but we're still going to LA 10 a.m. But I don't know what aircraft is it?
Southwest from LAX to Las Vegas, Southwest from Sydney to LAX, Qantas.
don't know what aircraft are we going to ride to LA from Sydney. If it's an A380 equals, oh sheesh, here we go again. Which is, there's going to be another lucky day again. Just like the previous time. Looks like in the US I might be landing at the end of the month or what. I think it was like yesterday. So it looks like it will still be July 29th or what. If I can still do my Duolingo lesson, as I did my Duolingo lesson before I fly, and start recording. I don't want to miss a lesson, or else something worse can happen for real. Also, when I was on Manila Ocean Park, I just bought 3 Ban toys and 4 Rainbow Friends toys. Well, I just completed the chapter 1 version, which is blue, orange, green, purple. But we better buy red, and we need yellow and cyan to complete all the Rainbow Friends with the chapter 2. Red appears in chapter 1. Wait, what is that airline? Is that Vietnam Airlines or what? Okay. Let's check if I'm right, if it's Vietnam Airlines or what. Wow. Yep, looks like I'm right. It's Vietnam Airlines. You know that, like, my mom's friend from karate, she's Vietnamese, playing with her son. Yep, Vietnamese American. I love, Vietnam and Philippines, Southeast Asia. There's United Airlines and Air New Zealand. Alright, we're about to park up. Get ready. Oh, I'm not sure if we're parking in that gate or what. I believe so. I might be. We will park at that gate. United Airlines, what's up with you, United States of America? So,
Crew, please disarm doors and cross-check.
By the way, I heard the announcement, which is to Oakland from Sydney equals welcome to USA. I saw, but in LAX, after I get out the plane, I saw welcome to USA. Well, I just get out of the country back to the USA. Wow, it's a Boeing 777, and I have that toy. Alright guys, this might be the end of the video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Zaijian means bye in Chinese.